Alright, welcome back to the Violin Lessons channel. Today we're doing strictly strings, page 20, and I'm Ben Barnes, and I'm going to guide you through this strictly strings lesson. So this is songs, page 20, and the first song is Jingle Bells, and notice that there's an A staff and a B staff, and they're linked together. So the A part is the first violin part, which plays the melody, and the B part is the second violin part, which plays the harmony. So get yourself prepared. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and lift. 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 Alright, now we're going to play the B part, violin 2, harmony. 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 Alright, you're going to play the B section, violin 2 or the harmony. 3 and 4 and. Alright, now we're going to do the Mozart Serenade. The A part is violin 1. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 Now we're going to play the B part. 3 and 4 and. All right, thanks for tuning in to the Violin Lessons channel. Next up, we got page number 21 of Strictly Strings. Thank you.